Well, isn't this fun? Too much fun. New updates. All right. Still got to work on that. All right. Well, here we go, guys. Let's get things going. Yeah, Johnny, just bring that over here, please. Can we cue the timer? Appreciate it. Yeah. No, the timer, yeah. Yeah, menu 2, then menu 1. All right, thanks.
I know you're out there. I can feel you now. I know that you're afraid. You're afraid of us. You're afraid of change. I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin. I'm going to hang up this phone, and then I'm going to show these people what you don't want them to see. I'm going to show them a world without you. A world without rules and controls, without borders or boundaries. A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.
Check this. Whoa. Oh, sorry. My girlfriend popped in for a second there. My apologies. Greetings, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages. Welcome to another lovely edition of LDG Pixels. Who's next? Doors open. Computer service now. Here to help those in need. Excuse me. Oh, I'm loving the coffee today. How is everybody doing? Few updates today. We had an update on XSplit and an update on StreamYards. I'm sorry, not StreamYard. The Stream Deck, which I want to test out real quick. Today, we'll give it a test to see what these so-called improved features are. I'm trying to see if I can pull that up right now. What is that? Stream Deck update, patch notes. Let's see if there's any kind of patch notes here. And we're looking Elgato Stream Deck release software notes. Software release notes. Now, is this today? Let's see here. Is there an about? 4.90. 4.90131. Sleep after so many hours. Serial number, firmware, just accounts. Default full screen alert, and we're good. Oh, one moment. Sorry, my boy needs to come here one moment. All right, he's back now. You're all set. Just yes. Oh, gotta love it. All right, so 4.9 real quick. Let's take a look, see here. For those of you who just joined, sorry about that. Just an issue with my boy. Oh, good boy. Come on, sit down. Let me go ahead and put the links out there for anybody who needs my help today. Those should be dropping in a moment. Hopefully the update didn't mess any of that up. Oh, no, it's popping in just fine. Hi, Elihu. Hi, sci-fi guy. How's it going, fellas? And I'm just checking here. Got a sleep action, got a screensaver. Why would I want a screensaver? XSplit broadcaster, Windows compatible with 4.0. Get it now. More actions. Keynote, Macs only. Okay, that's for Macs. PowerPoint integration, Mac only. Generic fixes, fine tunes under the hood, tweaks Twitch, enhanced stability and speed. Oh, I guess that's it. I guess that's it on that. It's right here. Windows only, compatible, XSplit integration, more compatible with XSplit 4.0. Oh, because XSplit updated, so they needed to come out with a better update. Oh, an update because someone else updated. Awesome. All right, well, for some reason, I sincerely doubt that that the one particular issue I have with XSplit is not fixed. But we'll take a look. Besides that, guys, yesterday we did a few things we were working on. I had lots of fun yesterday, streamed quite a bit, helped out Chris Knight with his issues. Not only helped out Chris Knight with his issues, but helped out, I was trying to help out Elihu in contacting Mr. William Shatner. Unfortunately, that failed. Trying to reach out, and it seems like William Shatner figured out how to monetize being unblocked. Personally, I think it's a joke, but I think that's completely wrong and should only be given to absolute trolls. But having that as a default response to a Twitter, I think is funny. But it is what it is. I tried. The fact that he even responded back to me was shocking. I quite enjoyed that, actually. But you know, what you gonna do? Let's see here. And yep, we're good there. Let me see here. Did I get... No, I didn't. Good. Okay. Awesome. I thought I was risking getting blocked myself, but that's not the case. Thank you, God. All right. A few people were streaming yesterday. We had Bird of Prey, Anti-Trekker, JJ Sith. We had a couple uploads. We had a Farm Life video from Deej Odyssey. You can check that out. A bunch of people streaming. Oh, I also was working on another intro. So one of my intros, I believe, will be shown today. That is the not a problem, Elihu. One of the intros I finished up for Chris Knight I believe is going to get shown today. Unmasking the singer, the unmasked singer, something, the masked singer, something like that. Haven't seen it yet. I might end up watching it. But that's going to get revealed today, I believe, worldwide. And then I was working on a motion capture for Jedi Bill on the Terminator scene. So I had to revamp it. I started it yesterday, but then I had to end up revamping it because of how it works. And I'll be showing you that here later. I want to continue on that, get that done. No. Real quick. So links are in the chat. If you want to join, give me a call, phone number, email address, follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, on my Discord, or donate to my cause, which is trying to fix the world by unlocking the internet and giving you power over your digital footprint. Something that is a long ways, a long time coming. It's about time that we, the people, strike back and say, no more. No more. If we're going to do this internet thing, I want to own me. You want to own yourself? Then support the channel. That's what Project Prometheus is all about. I'm done. We should all be done with what's been going on. The internet and how websites are treating us, and companies think they can get away with stuff on an open and free forum. All of us should be sick of it. How all our platforms are being and all our devices are being used against us. This isn't my channel. I just live here. Belongs to the tube. So, too much fun. It's too much fun. Too much fun. Let me stretch my legs here. Oh, that feels good. All right. Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, yeah. Okay. Woo. Let's bring it around town. Around town. There we go. All right. Okay. We're good. Too much fun. Let's get here. Oof. Okay, so let's go a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. Up, stretch up, stretch down, stretch up, stretch down. Okay. Oh, ooh. Okay. Ooh, that feels better. Nothing like a little freedom, huh? You love the freedom. All right, cool. So how is everybody? Hey, Yitzy. Do a fundraiser, Eli. Yeah, right? Yeah, eat bugs or something. You might be able to save up some money, man. It's working for Anti-Checker. Or do something crazy. Just don't get yourself killed or anything like that, please. Please, please, please don't. All right, so I guess here we got this. Okay, how am I going to do this? There's the latest update. Oh, hey, AVP. Hi, LDG. I'm going to pop in for a bit so you can help me with the new video intro. Awesome. I actually need two, one for my Orbital channel and one for my main account. Awesome, AVP. Yeah, if you want to pop in and talk about it, that's fine. I will say right now I am okay. So one of the things that's been happening is I guess I've been getting a little popular too fast, and I got a lot on my plate. So as everybody knows, you know, I do this while I'm working. So like I'm working right now. I have HD Pixels who you know, keep the lights on. That's how I, you know, since mother and father lost their jobs because of the beer bug, things have been rough over here. So I've had to literally, I was like, I'm living on my own. I had my own office. But after what happened, I had to come home. Things were looking pretty bad. Support the family so they don't go homeless. Shortly after that, the beer bug hit, and that even got worse. So I do my work here, and I stream for free, and I do, you know, provide my services to you guys, and it's what I do. It's what I can try to give back and spread the word, and hopefully find some more HD Pixels who want exclusive help to help further keep the lights on. It's not cheap over here. I mean, hell, my electric bill is like $500 a month with the servers and clones and everything that I keep going, backups and NASs and whatnot that I do for all my clients. Excuse me. So I do juggle the work I do on my stream and the work I do for my HD Pixels. And recently the work I've been doing for my channel has grown actually quite a bit. I've been popping out intros for people and doing whatnot, and that's all fine and dandy. But I do have to keep a priority, and I do have to keep a kind of like a line. I almost feel like Disney World now. So as I speak right now, I have 2 intros that I'm already working on still. I'm going to try to pop out the one for Jedi today. And then I have one for Sith Lord that I got to pop out. So AVP, I'll be glad to do an intro for you. But just let you know, I have 2 people I'm working on. So I might need a few days on that. With any luck, I'll get Jedi done today. The one for Sith Lord, I need to talk to him. And because that one actually is going to be interesting. That one's really going to be an interesting one. Yeah, sure. Give me 30 minutes. Yeah, sure. And you come in whenever you want. I'll be streaming for a few hours. Don't disagree with you there. LD, oh, Jitsi, thank you. Disabled SSDI pending, low income, can't afford. Yeah, life's rough. Tell me about it, man. Get a new account for that. He's not gonna be swayed, Alex. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I know. It makes no sense too when you can just make another account. So I don't like the idea of monetizing unblocking access to your Twitter feed. That's just so wrong. I mean, whether it's for a charity or not, it doesn't matter. It's the exchange of money. Because if it's charity, then I should give it to my charity, not yours, and make sure it gets there. No rush. Yep, that's fine. Do your thing. He said, I'm always here, even if I'm not streaming. You can always get a hold of me. That's why I always post my links. I put my phone number, my email, and all that fun stuff. My Discord, my Twitter. You can always get a hold of me if you ever need help. Just because I'm not streaming doesn't mean you can't get free service. It's what I believe. It's what I do. Oh, someone's at the door. Lovely. Give me a moment, please. Dad, back up. Back up. Back. Oh. Okay, just medicine at the door. Love how you don't have to sign for anything. It's like all of a sudden, no more signatures needed. Just stay away from me. Here's the package. You gotta go. Bye. It's too funny. Whew. Okay, so real quick, let's go ahead and share a screen. So I want to show you guys. Something. And boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so trying to do this while I'm streaming is going to be interesting. But for somebody, all you gotta do is know what you're doing, hopefully, and let's see if I know what I'm doing. No clue. We'll find out. So, Stream Deck updated today. So with Stream Deck, you have all these features on the right-hand side. All these are programs or related things that I can click a button on my Stream Deck. For those of you who do not know what a Stream Deck is, this is a Stream Deck. This is what I have. Cost me about $200. You got different kinds of Stream Decks. The one I got specifically is this one right here. As you can see, those buttons are actually screens. It's actually a digital screen that you can change, and you make your own buttons, and your buttons, you assign what the buttons can do, and buttons can open up more buttons and and do a single action or multiple actions or whatever. Comes with a nice little base. This is exactly what I have. It's not bad. Nice little thing here. Anyway, it helps me control certain things. They got a big one. This is the one AT has. It's got the really big one, which I'll get this one day. And then for people who can't afford it, they got the small one, with just 6 buttons. This is kind of pointless. A little bit. That's basically what it is. But as you can see, like, you can literally add your own images. Why isn't it selecting? There we go. You can change your images. I mean, heck, if you wanted to, you could, like this one right here, you can cut up a full image of something if you wanted to. Actually, I think that might be the screensaver feature. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There it is, just basic. Plugs in USB. But it's more than just functions too, because like, for instance, they have like, I have a button here, like this button right here on mine. It shows me my mic volume. It goes up and down animated. So I can just tell by looking. I look at my Stream Deck. I can tell if my mic audio signal is going out. I don't have to look anywhere else or click anywhere else. I just look at my Stream Deck and I can see the green, like goes up to red at the top, yellow and green at the bottom. I can just see my mic levels going up and down when I'm talking. This button right here I have for my CPU usage. So if I'm doing a lot of things at once, which is all the time, I can see if my computer's at a 99% or 100% or whatever. So I know to slow down or not to click or whatever. I don't even have to open up Task Manager. Just look at my Stream Deck. Boom. It's pretty cool. Pretty affordable. But for the most part, the main reason why I bought the Stream Deck. Oh, I also have, so you can see here as I click on my Stream Deck, now you see my mouse, right? So if I just click the Stream Deck with my finger, you can see how the menus change. So I can do
this and it'll change my voice automatically. It's pretty cool.
Just hitting a button, not clicking. I'm just hitting the Stream Deck and doing my thing, and it changes automatically. Want to reset my voice, I can just reset
my voice, and now I'm back to normal now.
I really like this voice. This voice is cool. So I put my favorites at the top. In the second row, I have my hear myself,
push to talk right here.
Background is the note is for the backgrounds. I don't have any backgrounds. And then I have this one on the left here. It says voice, and I have more voices.
So I can do some really cool voices.
Yeah. Oh yeah, some good stuff. Good stuff.
That's that. Anyway, so one of the things I want to test real quick, because I was kind of worried about whether or not there's this one feature that, and you can see my Voicemeeter banana there. The one feature that I want to try here is I've been waiting for XSplit to do this, and that is here. We're going to create a folder. We'll call this XSplit. Okay. Inside XSplit, I want to use the newly updated XSplit Broadcaster plugin. And I think I want to do a source change. Now, what I'm going to do here, will this show? Yes, it will show. Okay, so you're seeing, this is my broadcasting program that I'm using. Now, I use OBS and XSplit, but it depends on how I want to do things, depending on what program I use. So right now, I'm using XSplit. Again, bounce back and forth. So what I want to do is, one of the things that's been stopping me is this scene in a scene. Okay, so here's a scene, which is this scene right here. Okay, so I'm taking this scene that you're seeing right here with my whoa, right, and I'm putting it right inside this scene. So this is a scene in a scene. And what I want to do is I want to animate. I want to be able to play. I want to be able to hit a button on my Stream Deck and control this window. Now I can make this big or just regular, you know, whatever. It doesn't matter. But I'm just doing it like this so you can see everything. So here we're going to go scene solo source. I want it to, let's see here. Do I have a UFO landing? No, not solo. Solo. No, my apologies. So it's, yeah, here we go. There we go. Okay. All right, let's see if that works. All right, so you see this is going, yep, okay, so cool. So I'm hitting a button on my Stream Deck on here, and it's controlling the visibility of the Ouija board, whatever you call that thing. Okay. Now here's the problem. That's fine. That works. That's what I want it to do. I go here and let's say I add, I don't know. Let me take a look. Do I got a video file? Of course I have a video file. That wouldn't be much of a producer if I didn't have a video file. So here's one of my funny favorites. It's a UFO. Okay. And we're going to right click. We're going to tell it to do forever. We don't need it to, remember playback. That's fine. Rewind and we're good. Also tell it to keep memory and source. We're golden. So now, as you notice, if I do this and I make it invisible and I make it visible, and make it invisible, see how it's still playing? 3, 2, 1. Okay. So what I do, it just keeps playing. Okay. I want that. And let's see here. Change this. Moonland. Okay, so I'm changing it to there. So now when I hit the Stream Deck, I don't have to click it anymore. I'm clicking my Stream Deck now. That's what's making this thing invisible. But I want this to have this functionality here. So let's see if it works. Oh, it already paused. Yeah, see, it doesn't play. Still doesn't. Why doesn't it? Waiting for them to fix this. This makes no sense. That should absolutely play. That should absolutely play. That is horrible. That is truly, truly horrible. Plays when I switch it. And then it stops. Position. Yeah, very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. Yeah, don't know what to tell you. Everything's fine there. Hotkeys, sharing. Do 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 do. Sources in your present may refresh as a result. This option will perform additional logging, enable plugin debugging, and allow unsigning in the DLLs. I gotta restart. Cancel that. That's a shame. So they still haven't fixed it yet. Yeah, they still haven't fixed it yet. That's horrible. So I can't do my overlays the way I want to do it. I mean, it works fine in OBS. That's why whenever I need to use this particular feature, I'll run OBS. But until that happens, sorry, XSplit, you still need to fix it. Still need to fix it. All right, so tested that. That's cool. Do I see anything new here? I don't see output, preset, screenshot, microphone. Nope, not seeing that. Extensions, tools, projectors that never show border, always show border on selected hover, show border on when shift is pressed, never show. Cancel. Vector, new window, live scene. That's not going to work. Excuse me. Yeah, nothing new. Oh, are you serious? I'm only doing 720 right now? No, you're kidding me. Am I really only doing 720 right now? Of course I'm only doing 720 right now. One moment, please. I'll be right back. Okay, that should kick back in to Flux. Yeah, 1080p. There we go. Much better. And then I love how YouTube automatically. So you guys might need to click. Wait, nope, nope. Refresh the screen. And all right, and then I have to go from auto to actual 1080p. Okay, if you guys refresh your screen, you'll be able to see me at 1080 now. Just make sure it's actually check marked in the gear box within face and the YouTube. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. All right, why is my so how are we looking here? We're doing this right here. Are we actually doing this? Is that where? There we go. Okay. Good. All right. And I still have control, right? Do I have control? I don't have control. Why don't I have control? No clue why I have control. Oh, because I normally flip this is when I'm doing it. Okay, I see. Isn't that cool? Ooh. All right. There we go. Okay. So we tested that. The latest update did not work. No fun. Let's go ahead and get back to work on. Oh, no. Correction. I do need to make an update to a website. So one of my HD clients that I do work for requires an update on the schedule. So here is what they do. Elite Animation Academy. Come on. All right, here we go. All right. Awesome little website made for somebody. Some of you have seen this already before. So I had to do an update from this one. I need to go up to schedules, click schedules. And then what I'm going to do here is I need to put this aside for a quick minute because I got to log in the back end. HTTP and the Animation Academy. And go. All right. So I need to change this right here. Winter courses. All right, so winter needs to be up top, and then we need to change it to the 2021 schedule. This is the old 2020 schedule. Okay, that's fine. So I got to do this real quick. After we finish this, what I'll do next is, why am I getting a circle of death on my YouTube? I will be, I'll be working on Jedi Bill. You guys get to see some motion capture. I'll be working on some motion capture here shortly. Let me just update these PDFs. Pages. Schedule. Schedules. Go. And I also want to get a hold of Chris Knight and see if he's got a moment. All right. So here we got a nested columns right here. And developing minds. Okay, that's not where it is. It's right. Where is that? Where is that? Ah, right here. Here we go. Okay. So winter needs to go up. And winter needs to go here. Virtual winter. Then spring. Then summer. Spring, summer, spring, summer, spring, summer, spring, summer, winter, spring, winter, 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 virtual, summer, summer, summer. All right. Edit. Select link. The button URL for this is going to be I can pull it up. WordPress is a little different. I have a particular, hey, how's it going? That Nigel guy. Hello, greetings. How is my favorite computer expert today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Sci-Fi says hi. Just working on a website real quick, and then I'll be working on some mocap, putting somebody's face on the Terminator. So are you willing to chill and hang out? It's awesome. Did I miss anything critical? Yitzy, I thought today too. Notifications. Also putting my ID on. Oh man, I haven't even, this is how busy I've been working for doing all this stuff. Yitzy gave me a file for me and I haven't even gotten to it yet. Yitzy, I wanted to thank you for doing that work for me and I can't wait to check the file out. Yes, I have not looked at it yet. I haven't just had a time to like take care of myself. All right, so here's the PDF file. I take this, I get the relative URL, and I place the relative URL. Now this one is for the non-virtual. This is the in-school studio, which this is the in-school. There we go. Set link. Winter courses, save. And now I got to do the same thing for virtual courses. A lot of redundancy that I do for people on their website. So you could click schedules if you wanted to, and that'll take you to a page. But if you just want the direct, the direct thing, and that's how I like to do websites. You have the main button, which will take you to the main page. But if you want specific stuff on that page, that's what the menu brings you to. That way you don't have to waste time looking for stuff on a website. And this is how I build all my websites for people. Online courses. All right, here we go. Here's the PDF for scheduling. Copy and paste. Okay, so now I've replaced the new 2021 and we're going to update. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, and we're going to check for the Fusion patcher. Let's see if there's any new patches. All right, so we got a patch here. Fixes anchor scrolling with Internet Explorer 11 and Safari. Okay, I'll apply that patch. Applying patch. You got to be careful updating WordPress too, because sometimes if you update it, it'll break your website. Fixes global layout section assigned to demo import. Okay, that's cool. We'll apply that. And that'll fix them up. So we've updated the we've updated the core framework for WordPress. We've also made a change. So let me go ahead and hit back over here. And so like I said, as you saw, when I clicked this, it brought up the PDF. But what I did not do is when I click schedules, the schedule page, which this is basically the same as looking at this. Okay. These were, okay, winter, spring, summer. Winter, spring, summer, virtual and studio. That works. And then if I click this now you're seeing 2021. Okay, so the new PDFs are there. Now I just need to report to the HD Pixel to let them know that it is done. The work has been done. Why am I being summoned to take more blood work? That's weird. All done. The next is, I wonder, did the email go out? I need to check if a particular email went out real quick, because I might have to do one more thing on this web page before I get onto the motion capture. I don't see it. Let me contact them real fast. Make sure the audio is not coming through. Oh, it's going through. Okay, one moment. All right, remove that. Hello. Greetings. Good morning. Yes. All right, I just sent you the message. All set. Caught the the changes on the schedule on the homepage for schedules. That's been updated. I also wanted to ask you, yeah. I was just asking you about that. I didn't see it come through, but I'll log in. So you did send it, is basically what I was going to ask you. Constant Contact. Okay, I'll go ahead and post that right now. Not a problem. That'll be up in a couple minutes. Okay, absolutely. Thank you. All right, take care. Yep. Bye-bye. And go. Okay, I can re-unmute the speaker. And all right, so I have one more thing to do on here. So on his website, and this is what I do for HD Pixels, a good way to keep things is always on your server. Okay, always keep things that you do on your server as a home base. Do not rely on things like Blogger or the Tube or the Twit or the Face to manage your posts. Do not do it that way. Okay, so for instance, here, okay, we have a news section. It's in the About News section, About News section. Okay, and the news section, he has a page devoted to all his email posts that he sends out to everybody. Okay. Now, these are also found on the homepage. The homepage always has a section of every page on the website. So every page on the website, you can find a section of that here. Okay. So I got a page for, like, for instance, all the different classes, page for the payment and online, whatnot. Right here is where we have the latest Academy news. And these are his posts that he sends out as a constant contact. He keeps a list of emails, of his old mailing list, and he sends out whether they be newsletters or, vouchers or important information or updates and whatnot. So they used to use Blogger, or they used another kind of Blogger website, but doing it that way, they're not your blog, it's their blog. This is actually his blog, and then all we have to do is share these blogs by putting them on his website. He owns them. They're his blogs, and he can control where they go, where they get shared at, in the whole 9 yards. So we're going to go ahead and add the newest one. But unfortunately, give me a moment, because the actual constant contact. It's confidential information. Half of this is confidential information. Just bear with me. I got it on my other screen. Once I do a copy, then you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so he sent 2021 Elite enroll now. This was done on the last one was starts this month. Digital arts. Enroll now. Of course, it starts Saturday. Enroll now. What's this copy? Oh, that's no. I don't want to copy it. I just, here we go. Okay, so I click this, and this is something that you get an extra bonus when people, ask me for exclusive help. Certain things you cannot do right off the bat. You got to know what you're doing in order to do it. One of those things is using third-party programs like Dotmailer or Constant Contact or MailChimp, and knowing how to use the interface beyond its current compatibility, I guess, is the safest way of saying it. I'm able to take the email and export the HTML in a way where I can easily transfer it over to the website, which otherwise would be counterproductive. Some of you might understand what I just said right there, but trust me, it's a needed function. So if you have a webmaster, it's a It's it's definitely a plus when you know how a browser works and code and how to pull everything and reading code. I am literally looking at, I hit F12. I am looking at code right now in order to get this. Wait, is that it? Wait, B image, table class, T body, layout table. There it is right there. Copy element. Okay, so now I can show you here. I have it saved. We're gonna go to post. We're gonna start a new post. Okay, we're gonna go to text, paste. Here's all the code I copied from the website, which is basically his email converted into HTML. Then I'm going to look at the visuality. Now I'm looking here and I'm seeing that I made a small miscalculation. There we go. All right, so we'll try this one more time. Control All V. And look at the visual. See, now there we go. Okay, so there's his email in perfect format, the way it looks like when he sends it out. Okay, as a new post on his webpage. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the title, copy that and paste that as a title. And then I'm going to hit publish. Publish. That's going to add a new post, number 2021 winter courses. We go here, we wait for this to stop spinning. There it is, F5. And then it automatically is going to load right here. Starts this month. It's going to change to 2021 winter courses. The next one automatically moves over to the middle, and the middle moves to the last one. They just keep moving from left to right. If you want to look at all of them, we can, and if we click it, read more, it'll take us to the, now this is all Google searchable. This is all SEO, completely visible, fully integrated on his own website. No problem whatsoever. And yes, it is cell phone worthy. Okay. Very good. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Bring it up to the top. There we go. Cool. This is his courses page, so you can see his courses. His most popular course is Fundamental Drawing 1. And then he's got all these courses that he does. All these lovely courses you can take. Some of these are grabbed from the work, the work that the students have done. And some of these are the actual instructors, like this one right here, Anime Manga. This is actually an in-class recording I turned into a GIF of one of the Disney instructors teaching a class. This is one of somebody using a program called Sculptress, which is a 3D sculpting program, and this is an instructor doing that. Yeah. And then you can easily, like, you can just click on something you want to look at. Takes you to the course page. And then he has a YouTube video for every course, for most of the courses. This guy right here is pretty famous. He's done work for Mulan, and I think The Emperor's New Cape or something like that, or quite a few other ones. Nice little video people can learn. Get a little feel for what foundational drawing is. You know, mediums used, subjects covered, etc. Here are the instructors that teach it, and then related projects. So from fundamental drawing, you can go to watercolors, digital comic books, etc., etc. And then just search it up. I do like it because you can always go to the top just by clicking that. You also got virtual courses, studio courses, and the Orlando studio. He did have a Tampa studio, but unfortunately, because of the beer bug, Tampa studio had to be temporarily closed. It is Orlando studio.
Walt Disney animators, and we're still growing and going strong. Let's go inside and see what's going on.
Hi, come on in. My name is Gladys West. I'm co-founder and director of Elite Animation Academy. We are a vocational school teaching digital and traditional animation classes.
They got some
Hey,
teaks.
I'm Woody Woodman here at the Elite Animation Academy.
They got some really good equipment that I have to monitor and keep updated and
Tarzan, The Emperor's New Groove.
fix whenever it breaks.
I'm teaching basic foundation in drawing and construction.
That's
drawing.
right. I manage
We're
this
also learning
entire building.
sequential drawing, like storyboards.
I make sure these kids have good
and we're gonna
software
have a lot of fun. So
and
join
equipment
us.
that keeps them learning. Very interesting. Anyway, do enjoy. This client does a lot for the community. Not only that, but it also has an autistic program. By the way, these posters you see in the wall, I did these posters. I graphically designed these posters for him, and he went and got them all full. Like this is like 3 foot by 4 foot, big size, CMYK, fully printed at like a print shop. Fully my design. Not bad. Like you're like, this is like about 8 feet away and you can still, you can still read this. This is all my design, all my layout. It gives me quite a good control over what I can do. He likes the work I do. So I created all these graphics you see on this website. This logo I created myself. I do all of this stuff. None of this is taken from Google. This is all completely 100% original. Okay. I mean, the photos of the classroom, of course, and then I integrate it and overlay and do what I need to do. And got the nice pencil, how the font has like a pencil effect inside of it. Created this myself. This whole effect, this finger and this effect, all that I did. And it's got his cool thing here. So if you know any small business that's looking for a cool website, this is what I do. And this is just a board of just animations of make use of all the images that are on the website. So I just have a place here where it's just like a collage of everything. You got all the instructors at the top, and then you have all the courses again. There's something to look at while you're scrolling down. Student feedback. You got different student feedback. We have 6 of them right now. And then the footer, which has certain information, yada yada, whatnot. It's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and all that fun stuff. All right, so we're all good. I even animated this enroll now button with the little glitch effect. It's pretty cool. All right, so in the sidebars, we got a sidebar with the authentications and translations and fully functional and Google reviews, integrated Google reviews for free. Recent post again. Very interesting site. I enjoy this one. He likes it. Anywho, all done. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take a 2-minute Gelogia. When I come back, what we're going to work on is some motion capture. So Premiere, we're going to work on some motion capture. Now, I did a particular scene yesterday, and I'm going to show you something that might be interesting and how to motion capture with Premiere a bit differently than what you might think. Okay, so do need a Gelogia. I'm going to give it 2 minutes. If you guys want to rewind and quickly show them, or see if anybody else is streaming and hop around. Go ahead and do that. I will be back momentarily, and when we come back, we will finish. I want to finish this up today. And I'll show you real quick so you get a little preview. Perfect. I mean, this is perfect motion capture. I got the X and Y coordinates like perfect on his nose. And I'll show you how I did that and how I'm going to continue doing it. Look how smooth that is. Beautiful. So we're going to finish this up, and I need to add size differentials and whatnot. But the way I did this real quick is by using a red dot. How to use a red dot to center an image. In order to motion track an image on top of a video. All right, so I'll be right back, guys. 2 minutes. If anybody wants to come in, I'm more than welcome to. Let me put the link in the chat. Paste, and I will be right back.
Don't
we're back. Did I miss the time? All right, guys. And we're back. Okay. All right. And we're back. Sorry about the delay there, but when I have to Jaloja, so does my boy. And he likes to take his sweet time sniffing around. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. All right. So we're going to go ahead and get continued on this intro, trying to get this done for Jedi. He wants an additional. I've already done 2 intros for him. This is the 3rd one. And let's see here. Okay, so again, as you can see, what I'm doing here is some motion capture. Now, you say, oh, well, this ain't motion capture. No, it's motion capture. You're capturing motion on the screen or motion within a specific data set, and you're capturing motion in order to get the X, Y, and Z coordinates for a particular object. In this case, it is Arnold's nose. So we'll be continuing this here. Boom, 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 boom. So I finished this clip right here. This was the latest clip. So I clip. What I do is I look at the video. Okay. I look at the video and I see what I need to do. And the first thing, like I said, is to capture the point on the screen in which to follow what needs to be captured in order to say, okay, this is where I want a particular image or a particular resource to follow and go from there. Now, because the clip is multiple scenes, you got this scene and then you have this scene. Okay, and then it goes on to other stuff. What I do is I chop up the clip here. So you can see this bloom. I chop up the clip to sections where I'm going to do my capturing. And this is the okay, so the Bill's face is going to be invisible. All this is nothing. So this whole scene, Bill's face is going to be invisible. You're not going to see Bill's face up until pretty much right about here. He turns and you see it. Okay. And then it'll go invisible again right about pretty much right here. Right here, it'll go invisible. When Arnold turns his face, it'll be invisible. It'll only be when Arnold's face is facing forward or when you're seeing it. And that's because of the image I have to work with. Okay. So if I show Bill's face, and here it is, what I've done is I linked the red dot nose to nose. Okay. So you can see here, it's Bill's face's nose to Arnold's nose. And all I have to do now is, now that I've captured the X and Y, I need to capture the Z. Which is basically, I say Z, but it's actually more than just Z. It's going to be size and rotation. And that's what I'll be doing next here. So, let's take a look. See here. First thing I want to do is always save a copy when you get to a particular point. In Premiere, we always save a copy. And what I do is copy 1, save. I save it as a copy. So as you can see at the top here, it doesn't say main copy 1. I just saved a backup copy. I always work on the original file and then keep moving. That way, if I ever do something where you go past the point of no return, I have a file I can always reload and go back without losing a whole bunch of work. A very important task when it comes to editing. All right, so what do I need to lock here? Okay, so I have my original clip. I have my secondary clip, which is the Terminator. I have my color mat, which is my red dot. And then I have Bill's face. I need to lock. Okay, so I'm done moving the color mat. So I'll lock that. I don't need to move the Terminator, so I'll lock that. So everything's locked except for Bill's face. I'll click this section right here. On the left-hand side, you can see the full clip from left to right. Okay, we'll go to the first frame. Okay, there we go, first frame. And what I will do here. All right. So here we'll go to 150%. Okay. And there's a couple things we need to do here. What I will do is bring this to 0. Okay. Bring this to 0. There we go. Delete that keyframe. And what I do is go boom, boom, boom. Here, one keyframe forward. 100%. Okay. There we go. And let's bring that out a little bit. Okay. I want to do a quick fade in. I guess there's too much in there. So let's try that again. Go here. We're going to add a keyframe. We're going to bring it to 0. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 frames. Go to 100%. So here it should fade. Yep, there we go. Okay. So it's going to fade. Okay, here we don't need Bill's face here. We'll delete that. Good. So we got Bill's fading in face. Okay, it's looking good. Now I need to get his positioning. So one thing I like to do a 3D. I believe 3D effect would be the basic perspective. Okay, basic perspective. We're going to add basic perspective to this clip, which gives us an additional effects control here. And to do this, we have a swivel, a tilt, and a distance to image, along with a couple additional features here. Now, if you look, what I can show you here is this is what swivel does. Okay. This is what tilt does. Okay. And distance to image. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. All right, Bill. All right. I know. Bill, I'm sorry. Don't get mad at me. Ooh, that's scary. Cool. I'm on lunch. Okay. Chris might be popping in here real quick and ask him how that laptop's going. Today is what? It is Tuesday. Okay, I thought maybe he was off on that day. Sorry, I'm just checking my messages real quick, guys. Okay, there we go. All right. So I am okay. So we got the basic 3D added to this particular scene. Let's go ahead and start Bill hulking out again. That's so typical. All right. So let's get this 3D done. I've added the 3D reference. Basic manipulation of a frame only gives you position and scale. Rotation is rotation is not the same rotation. So like you see this rotation right here, this is this kind of rotation. Okay, this is not the kind of rotation I need. I mean, I do need it, but not right now. I need the 3D where the Z-axis manipulation. Okay, so that's why in Premiere you have to add what's called basic 3D. Once you add that to it, this gives you this. So I want to be able to do like this. Okay, give it some fake 3D turning on the Z-axis. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that now. So first frame. Okay. First frame, we're here. What I need to do is start. I need to do a start position. So what I got to do is I got to fast forward slightly forward. I should have done the fade last. That was a mistake, but that's okay. No big deal. So here we go. Like right about there. Okay. Then what we're going to do here is go here. I got the perfect swivel. I am going to click the toggle animation, which will set a key point here. Okay. So there we go. We got a good start. Okay. Once his head starts changing, okay, so it's, see right here, we're good. And then he starts turning his head. Right here is where I need to start doing some swiveling action. Okay. What I'm going to do is we're going to go back to 100%. So I can see a little better. Okay. And we'll add another keyframe here. And we'll start slowly. All right. Right here. Right there. And you can try to get away with tweening. What I'm trying to do here is not have to do it every single frame. So I'm trying to see if I can jump ahead frames and let the program tween between these keyframes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I have to make adjustments in order to get a more 3D look. Now, see how much easier it is to do this when I have a point of reference. So when you guys saw me doing this yesterday, you saw me trying to do this frame by frame on the image itself. And because I was doing it that way, the smallest mistake can screw things up. Now that I locked their noses together, it's a lot easier to get a nice, smooth motion capture. So the only thing I got to fix now is the size, and we'll do that right now. So let's go ahead and fix the size. So we're gonna go ahead, and what we're gonna do here is I am going to jump slightly ahead like I did before. Okay. We're gonna recenter this. And we're gonna get the size correct. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now the anchor point I can adjust. Okay. I can adjust the anchor point and recenter, even though it's nose to nose. All I have to do is make a small adjustment to the anchor point, which is not a keyframe. And you'll notice that now everything stays exactly the same, but I just changed the anchor point because of the differences in the face and how Arnold's face is different than his, which kind of messes up the centering. So even though it's nose to nose, I had to make a small adjustment, and that's what the anchor point is used for. That's the way I can make an adjustment up and down, left and right, without screwing up the entire motion capture. So if I click this, you guys can see the motion capture I had to do the red dot. This is the motion capture of Arnold's nose, this blue dot going across for the entire the cutscene. I readjusted the anchor point. Now all I have to do is maintain the scale. So now that I got the scale good for the beginning, I'm going to bring this to frame 1. I'm going to go ahead and click create toggle. Okay. So it's 19. Okay. Go to the first frame. I'm going to click toggle animation. Now I have a keyframe set, and keyframe. So now that I'm seeing a difference, all I have to do is just make adjustments. All right, so there's one. So it's growing with the scene, the zoom in. See the zoom in? Looks nice and smooth. It might be slightly bigger than I want it to be, but that's fixable. We'll bring this down to about 30, like right about there. Okay, it's getting smaller again. 34. So zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Okay. Still zooming in. It's a weird angle of a zoom in. See how that looks. Yeah, that works. I like that. That looks good. Right there, I'm not liking that. I need a little bit more angle. Just scroll down. And it stops right there. There's a problem. It's a problem right there. What is that? Right here. Oh, it's the last frame. So you always got to go one frame back. So when you go all the way to the right, you see in this right here, I go one frame back, and this is where I'll create my last keyframe. Okay. My last keyframe. All right. So then what I'll do now is it looks like I will need to do a keyframe for the anchor point. I'm seeing certain areas where the anchor point needs to be adjusted. We'll do an anchor point right here. Okay. Create a keyframe for the anchor point here. And right there. There. Right there. Adjust the anchor point here. Adjust the anchor point here. There we go. All right. Awesome. Good stuff. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, oh, yeah, well, you need to match the color. Yeah, I know. Matching color is not that bad, depending if what Bill ends up wanting to do. I mean, it's not that hard to do some kind of there's a couple of ways of doing a color match. One is trying to do it this way. Another is actually just doing it inside of Photoshop, which might end up being my method of fixing. Doing it this way does require so I'm not liking that at all. Let's see here. So if I wanted to do like a quick kind of color match, I could do something like this. But if I want to get a better, because you see, it's not just blue here, right? It's blue, but it's blue shined off of Arnold's actual skin tone and everything. Like you're seeing, like right here, you're not actually seeing, you're seeing his skin tone come in a little bit. And I want to get that effect with Jedi, and in order to do that, I could do it better within Photoshop. So I'll most likely not do that for now. And when I update the Photoshop files, it'll automatically update this image in which I can do a better effect with the blue. So rock and roll. Ow. Oh, and there's Chris Knight. Greetings.
Greetings. What's going on?
How you doing? Chilling like a villain. I just wanted to touch base and see how things were going. Did the laptop finish doing its hard drive scan?
It looks like it. It was doing it, and then when I went back upstairs, it was done.
Okay.
Seems like it's doing okay. I shut it down last night. I'll let you know today.
Okay.
What it does.
Icons are still there?
Mm-hmm. They were.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, no, I just wanted to touch.
Yeah, I didn't get back to it till like 11 o'clock last night before I saw what was going on with it. So.
Okay. Yeah, it was going to take a while, so I figured it would take at least maybe an hour, couple hours or whatnot. So I just wanted to see if that finished. Did you get any error messages? Did anything pop up I need to look at? But yeah, if she completed. Okay. Yeah, if she completed and everything's looking good, that's fine. And then, like I said, what we'll have to do is just do a hard drive swap, and then that's fairly easy. I'm pretty sure you'd be able to handle that if you have any issues or whatnot. Just remember to try to get a 7200 RPM. If you want to get a SSD, you can, but you have to get a SATA SSD. You won't be able to get just your average, NV, not average, I shouldn't say average, but like an NVMe M.2. Just get a regular SATA SSD. If you want to get one of those, that will greatly increase the speed of loading all around. Like just that's the only thing that would speed up that computer any.
If you can find it on online or whatever, and just send me a link, I can order it off there.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
they're fairly cheap too now. Like they're very cheap compared to back in the day. So when they first came out, they were ridiculously expensive. I mean, it was like freaking $500 just for like 200 gigabytes. I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? You can get a decent one now for like $60. I'm sure I'll find something. Okay, I'll send you a link. But yeah, let me know if anything. And if worse comes to worse, we backed up your data on that one drive. And I believe you have the models for the battery and the charger. So I think we got you taken care of. But Okay. I just wanted to make sure you were good to go, and if there was anything I needed to, need to look at, or if you had an error or something. But okie dokie. How's your day going?
Well, it's going. I'm just putting up temp scanners.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're putting up the infrared temp scanners up now. Finally, we had little iPad ones that weren't doing that well, so we upgraded them to the things that look like a laser that can like burn right through you. But
beautiful.
Yeah, no. So I'm just mounting and installing those. So yeah, but besides that, it's going pretty good.
Awesome.
When will you have time, like this week, to maybe look at doing the overlays and stuff?
Oh yeah, I got your message on that. So I'll work with you, boss. My schedule is, my schedule is pretty erratic. Like I first come first serve basis for the most part. Finishing up an intro for Jedi. I'm hoping to have this done today.
Are we doing deep fake on this? Kind of.
No.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if you were going to wrap it. Because I know on that, I think in that program, what you're using After Effects?
Yeah, this is Premiere. This is just motion cap in Premiere.
Okay. Well, I know that I think it's either in that or After Effects. There's a way to wrap somebody's face over it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're not going that far. No, we're not going that far.
Like, oh, are you going to do that? And then,
I'm going for the South Park. Yeah, I'm going for like the South Park effect.
No, that's funny though. That's cool.
I get what you're saying. There's that deep fake thing, but I'm unsure about if I can actually do it in this particular scene. Usually that is, but no, it's coming out well so far. Small adjustments I'm making, but he wants a Terminator intro where he comes in and whoops some ass for a show. So, and then I have a special project for JJ Sith. His intro is even going to be better than this one. I don't even know if I can do it, so I want to get started on that next. AVP says she needs a quick intro for something. She'll be coming on the show here shortly and explaining what she wants. But as far as your overlays are concerned, I can squeeze that in. I'm pretty sure I can squeeze that in. Whenever you're ready, just hit me up and you got time right away. Cause we'll just go over it real quick and I'll frame it up. I'll do a quick draft, like a quick draft frame up, get the information I need from you, whatever files or background files or anything you have to give me. And I should be able to turn that around either within a couple hours or 24 hours the latest.
This is more entertaining than watching the SCOTUS confirmation hearing.
Okay.
At least you're answering questions. She's not.
Yeah.
I got tired of this. I'm like, stop asking. At least answer a question. If you can answer something, at least answer it. You keep asking questions. She doesn't even answer the question. Next person. What the hell is this?
No, that's how it goes.
This is great. Here's my next scene I got to put Jedi on. Go ahead, what?
I was going to say probably tomorrow at like
5, 6, something like after you get off work.
It'll be about, I get off at 3:30, so it's 4:30 your time, 4:30 your time. So like 5 o'clock, I could probably jump on for a minute. And then at 6 o'clock your time, my son's got to go to work and I got to take him. But after that, I could jump on for a little bit longer.
Yeah, I most likely only need you for like 15 minutes max, just to draw up a little. I'll create a Photoshop file. We'll do a quick draft. Give me files. I'm assuming you want to use that one background you like, or whatnot.
I might, but I'm not sure because it's really difficult to put anything like the Patreon stuff down at the bottom and things like that because it doesn't blend in all that well. But I can give it to you.
Let me see what I can. Let me see what magic I can do with it. You never know if I might be able to surprise you. And if we can't, and whatever you want, I'll end up. But yeah, just Yeah, no worries. No worries. Now, how many frames are we looking at? You want one for your game frame, or are we doing like multiple frames, like 5 or 6? Or are we just talking about like 1 or 2?
Up front, probably 2 or 3.
Okay, like 2 or 3. Okay, that's fine.
Probably 2 for sure.
Okay.
Because the one for gaming would be the same thing I would use for reaction videos or my music videos, because I'll frame it in there.
Gotcha.
Let's see here.
The cool thing is we'll have a Photoshop file for you. So if we add more frames, not only will they all be in one single Photoshop file, but doing it that way will allow us to keep continuity as far as making all your frames, similar.
Mm-hmm.
Similar feel and look. Yeah.
Then I don't know if you've seen the video that the intro that I have. I've got several intros. I might want to tighten up or clean up or do something to one of my videos. Truth be told, I'll tell you what, you want to have fun and just do something to do something. If you want to make me a gaming stream video, that opening, that might be cool. Right now, all I have is my original opening video, and I just stuck the Sega intro on it. So it goes, Sega, and then right into my one of my normal intros.
Yeah, sure.
And I also like to talk to you about your 5-minute lead-in music.
My 5 minutes. What about something? Do you not like it?
No, I like the idea. Because that buys me some time, and then I can start it and do all my tweet outs and all that, and say, hey, we're going live, blah blah blah. Now,
yeah, so you're talking about what I do here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, something like that. That'd be really cool. I like the music too. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. I like that type of music in general.
Same here. Same here.
If you guys are curious about some science stuff, I put something in the chat. You don't need to hit telescope.
Cool.
Do what?
Mars is at the closest approach to Earth this tonight.
Oh, you don't need a telescope to see Mars. I remember that stuff like that happens every now and then. Yeah, that's cool.
It's the closest, so you don't need a telescope.
Like when you say close, are we talking about dot close or actual like very small moon close?
It'd be a dot close.
Okay.
Yeah. What you'll do is once you can find it, try to remember the star group it starts at. But
I'll put this website in here. Hang on a second. I'll make it
easier to find. You can follow it throughout the night because it'll actually move. It'll be like, well, I've seen stars that move. That
a lot of people use different apps and stuff, but I use Stellarium. It's capable for phone and computers and laptops. Some of the other apps are only available for phones. This is for all three. Free site tells you the planets. If you see a dot going across the sky, you can click on it. What is it? Oh, it's a satellite. Which one is it? Classified? Okay, they won't tell us, but it's a satellite. If it's a Starlink, it'll tell you if it's a Starlink.
That's cool.
Great for astrophotography.
Great. Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, definitely. So a timer, like a startup. Now, I do recommend that you only do that for your live streams, and and it gives me enough time to like tweet out and all that fun stuff. But yeah,
exactly.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we'll talk tomorrow. Let's just get on that. Are you going to be on the stream tomorrow?
Should be, unless something comes up. Like, okay, so sometimes things do come up in my day, whether it be diabetic related or just a client calls me with some emergency work or something goes wrong. But yeah, for the most part, I should be up.
All right.
Okay.
Well, if anything comes up, just text me. But I'll plan on jumping on about 5 o'clock.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, man.
Perfect. All right, man. All right. Keep me posted of anything, and glad I could help you, buddy. Take care.
Chris.
Later, Chris.
Very much appreciate it.
Absolutely. Later. All right. Actually, I do have. Hi, Eli. Who, by the way, welcome.
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
I have a.
This number is not monitored. If this is a medical.
It's not monitored. Well, how is it not monitored? All right, guys, give me a second. I have a phone call. South. Okay, here we go. All right, I got it. Oh, during our lunch hour. Are you serious? I caught you during our lunch hour? Okay, never mind. Oh, so much for healthcare. Lunch. Healthcare takes breaks. Healthcare takes breaks. Can you believe it? All right, hey, listen. So what I think I'm gonna do here, and I like this next scene because this next scene is gonna be funny as hell. Watching Jedi Bill's face come out of this thing. What I'm gonna do here is, I wonder if can I? Okay, yeah, because if I'm just doing the color matte. Okay, I'm just doing the color matte, right? So I can go like that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I gotta take this red dot, match his nose for this little section right here. Good. And then what's next? Ooh, hello. Oh, and then this scene too. Okay. I'm just glad every scene that has him facing forward is not exactly that long. But I'm gonna finish slicing this up real quick before I do something here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that clip. It's funny, you saw her mouth open. Mouth not open.
What?
Her mouth is open. This lady right here. See how she's like, her mouth is open? And then the second, her mouth is closed. Even this hand is wrong. Like you can tell little things like that. I like to see continuity. Smiling, not smiling.
Yeah, I was gonna suggest the deepfake, like the wraparound.
It's funny how left, right, left. How could she be looking at him with that camera angle that they had? It doesn't make sense. There's just no way.
Be right back.
And how does he turn? Like how does this guy right here turn his head as if he just saw him? When right here, you're looking right, the same guy right here looking right at him. Oh, and look at the last. Oh, look at that eye. Look at those eyes go down. Oh yeah, you're looking at what you're looking at. Oh yeah. Then here it's, and then here it's like, oh my what? Oh, turn my head. Oh, I didn't want to turn my head. Completely wrong. All right, so I got that. I got that cut. I don't need to cut this scene out because that's okay. Right here, I got to cut out. All right, so we're gonna cut this scene out. I still got a lot of little scenes to do. She kept it. She kept it good. Ah, that lady knows how to act. I almost can't notice that. Almost. Can I? Let me see here. Necklace. Eyes. Happy. Left hand. Oh, hello. Eyes. Left side of the face going up. Ah, no. Oh, wait. No, no, no. There it is right there. Her plate's way too down. Yeah, it's a little too quick to be able to move that plate down like that. All right, did I cut this out? All right, wait. So I got this right here. Cut this scene out.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
Cut that scene out.
Who's ready for a new STD tomorrow night? Woohoo! Hey, Discovery drops tomorrow night. Ooh, ear rape. Ear rape.
Is it super loud?
It was just a little. Not that loud, just a little bit.
Bill, you're gonna look like a badass.
Implying that he doesn't already look like one.
Oh, even more so now, though.
Good save.
So if you guys notice, basically what you're looking at is this bottom half here. Okay. So there's two scenes here. There's this one and there's this one. Okay. Now this one right here, you don't have to worry about why it looks like a circle. Just ignore that. But I am cutting apart the overlay of the exact same video in order to make sure I get my tracking down properly. Now, one thing I gotta do here is delete this tracking mask. Tracking mask has gotta go.
Creaky binder uploaded a video. that's right. I forgot. Expedition 64. 11 hours of the rocket launch tonight. Oh, 10:45 p.m. Pacific. Sorry, hour off. 9:45. Miss that. Where's this launching at?
I don't know how I'm going to do this. It's only a couple frames. I might be able to pull that off. I might be able to pull that off.
You know, I can't even find out where this rocket is launching tonight, but I know there's a launch at ISS, but I can't find out where. This is weird. Oh, you got that hand in the way of his face.
I know.
Twice.
I still might be. I might be able to pull it off.
Twice.
I might be able to pull it off. All I have to do is this frame twice, that frame. That's it. One frame, 2, 3. That's it. If I can do that, I can put Jedi's face behind that guy's hand.
But after his head passes Arnold's body, you see his
that doesn't matter. That doesn't have to show Jedi's face right there.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
That doesn't have to show Jedi's face. His arm is blocking most of his. Okay. As long as I can get this part right here, because you see Jedi, you see Jedi, you see Jedi, you still see Jedi, and then you don't see Jedi because it's the arm. It's fine. Gotcha. And it's so fast. I mean, it's so fast.
Yeah, that is fast. Yeah, okay.
It's way too fast. Yeah, I don't have to worry about that.
No soup.
Some of this fight I have to cut out.
Like the kitchen scene.
God, if I do this, this might end up being almost better than frickin' Siths. I didn't think it was this. Wow. This actually might be right up to it. Right up with it. A lot of cutscenes here.
Reflective. Can you just ignore the opening that door part? Cut that door part out in entering.
Just start here.
Yeah.
So like start it right.
Right when he comes around the door. Yeah, right there, right there. Yeah, right there. You see him? And then Jedi's face comes around. Yeah. That way you don't have to shine from the glass. Yeah. That way you don't have to shine from the glass. Just a hair up. Nope. Just a hair more. One more frame. Nope. Going back.
Give me a second though. Give me a second. I mean, if I could put Jedi's bill behind that reflection, that would be so funny, dude.
I know, but the glare.
That would look so funny if I could do it. I don't know if I could do it. How many frames are we looking at?
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frames.
Yeah, the 8th one is better with his ear, though. You can't get his face in.
Yeah, I still see some of his face, though.
Yeah, but the ear.
I don't think I can do it. I want to be able to do it, but I know what it would take to do that, but yeah, I'm gonna have to. All right, we'll just do it from here then. Hey, Biggerford. How's it going, Chief? Is this Terminator 2? No, it's Terminator 1, I believe.
Yes. That's T1.
Hey, Anzo. What's going on, Chief? I'm just chopping up some video here, trying to put Jedi up in the house here. I'll doing a little motion capture.
It is determinator. Of course, you haven't heard much from Arnold lately. Your clothes.
Trying to chop this up. Anzo, if you want to pop in real quick, you're more than welcome to. Oh, yeah, right. This might be Terminator 2, actually.
I thought that was 1.
Yeah, Terminator 1 was the 2 guys on the street.
That's right.
Or yeah, that's right.
Bill
yeah.
Holman. Bill Holman.
Wait, didn't he get stabbed in the chest? Did he get stabbed right there? Oh, it's just it didn't pierce him. Wait, that's a knife. Or a dagger. What the hell is that? Is that a knife? Yeah, it's a knife. Huh. Oh well.
I'm muted. It's not a. It's like a screwdriver type thing for your bike, for spark plugs. It wasn't a knife.
Oh.
mute the cough, and I forgot to unmute the talk.
All right, I'm almost done slicing up all the scenes.
Come on, Onzo.
No way out.
You're that Nigel movie guy, not the Nigel movie guy. There's a difference, man. Yes, I'm finally on my 5th cup of coffee. What morning? Wait, can you play Bad to the? Can you get away with Bad to the Bone?
Don't know.
Because he done that. That's very, very, very unique.
Can't let you take
It's not unique.
the man's real son.
Original, basically.
Da 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 is not original nor unique. Tired
what I
of
meant
people
to say
using
was-
simple
what I
mathematics
meant
and
to
calling
say
it
was-
original.
What I meant to say was, when you hear that, 99% of people automatically think Bad to the Bone.
And that's not my problem.
I know.
That doesn't mean he owns it.
Like Cypress Hill does not own the countdown.
Yep.
Please. I might take off in a little bit.
Oh, I'm closing up LDG Pixels. I'm going to open up a waiting room here soon. So I've been live here. Anybody who needs my help, I've been here. So I'm opening up a waiting room here shortly. I just want to finish cutting up this scene. Once I finish cutting up the scene, I'm going to save it. I'll close my stream down, start up a waiting room, and continue working because I got to get this done today. And I already finished one cut. I need to finish all these cuts because then I got to figure out how I'm going to compress this 4-minute scene that Jedi wants into a minute somehow. I might not even be motion tracking all of this. I might have to be very picky on what I motion track pick. So if anybody needs my information, guys, you can get a hold of me. I'll be over on Pixelate here shortly. Here's my information. If you have any computer issues, problems, or need me, emergency 911. Just let me know.
Email, you got email, you got phone number, you got Facebook, you got StreamYard, you got Discord. Multiple ways to contact LDG. Except for the tin can and string. He doesn't have that on there yet. Wait, don't see Discord yet.
Oh, did it not go through?
No Discord yet.
It didn't go through. I'll hit it one more time.
There's the Twitter.
I mean, there's some interesting shots here if I can
There you
pull
go.
off. Like this one right
Yeah.
here is going to be interesting. If I can pull this off. One. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 or 5 shots right there.
If you
I
want,
might be able to pull that off. Guys, you got to
Okay.
understand, when I'm talking about putting Jedi's face here, I'm putting Jedi's face in here. And I'm not going to be lazy about it. Like, it's going to go behind this guy's arm and gun. You see a lot of these people doing this kind of stuff right here. You see, where is it? Okay. You see this face stuff that I'm doing? It isn't just going to be on top of everything. It's going to be in the damn thing. So I'm hoping we'll see. Like, matter of fact, you see the one thing that I got to put the black bar up here to put it behind that black bar. There's Anzo. Hello, Anzo.
What
Greetings.
up, man?
What's
I
that?
gotta
Chilling,
go
boss.
quick with you guys.
What happened? What's
How
up?
the fuck did you not know that was Terminator 2 and you thought it was Terminator 1?
I know. I'm thinking I got too much in my head, and I did say, okay, I remember Terminator 1 was the street bugs. I know.
It's okay. I just
Well, because you know what? Because the whole Terminator series with the damn time travel has got me set. It's got time traveled so much. I don't even, it's got me confused.
Yes, I know. But the minute I popped on the screen, I was like, "Oh, Terminator 2." I thought you were trying to break down like the CGI in it or something. I didn't know you were doing a video. And then
No, motion capturing. Yeah. So this red dot, putting this red dot on his nose and all the scenes.
I didn't hear you.
If you want to break down bad CGI, watch the original Doom.
Oh, I've seen the original Doom many times.
Bad CGI.
Yeah, I know. It's horrible.
That crack in the middle. Oh, come on.
Yeah, I know. It was horrible. I know. I mean, even for the time it came out, it was horrible, to be honest with you.
Great story, but bad CGI, bad movie, bad special effects.
Yeah, you excited for the new one?
Yes, I am.
I want to see it too.
I'm not going to go to the theater, wait in line for it, but I'm looking forward to it.
If everything is good, the pandemic's cleared up and everything, that's a movie I'll see in the theater.
Which one?
Dune.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I probably won't do it first day. I usually do movies first day. I probably won't do it first day, but I'll see it in the theaters.
I haven't did a first day movie in a while.
Oh, really? I do all my Marvel movies and Star Wars movies all first day.
No, I don't feel like lining up 2 days in advance.
Order your tickets online.
Yeah, but you guys get your spot.
Oh, our seats have numbers on the seats, right?
Yeah, but that's normal shows. But premieres, it's first come, first served. You got to line up for those.
No. If it comes out in IMAX, all our IMAX seats have numbers on them. So you buy a seat, it's reserved.
Huh, okay, so it's been a while since I've been to the first premiere because I know the IMAX here is they don't assign seat numbers for premieres like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ticket sales like that.
Oh, maybe not there, but I'm at what theater?
What is that
AMC?
Metreon? How's that Metreon again? I think it's AMC.
AMC. Well, we don't have AMC here in Canada, so. But yeah, if we go to a movie, any movie, any time a movie's in IMAX, the seats are always reserved. So I just ordered online.
Yeah, basically, yeah. But premieres when I went, it's like seat 1, 2, 3, not guaranteed to get in the theater. That's why you have to line up. You had somebody, ticket holder, had ticket number 43, and behind the ticket number 2. So it's like first come, first serve. Not guaranteed a seat as long as you have the tickets.
Oh, that's fucked up. Well, here, yeah, you order, you guaranteed your seat. So that's why, like, when the movies come out, just a few days before it comes out, or
I mean, if you don't get in the theater, you get your money back. Please, they're nice about that.
Yeah, but it sucks. Kind of sucks if you buy a ticket, you go down there, and you don't get a seat. It's kind of fucked up. But
yeah, first come, first serve. That's why people make money being placeholders, line holders.
No, not here.
I don't know if I can. This is the one scene I cannot do. I can do it, but I'm not spending the time to do it.
Oh, the sunglasses, yeah.
I can't. There's too many freaking frames, man. I mean, that's too many frames to do.
And how about when he just takes the gun, and then when his hand is down, then when his hand goes down, what? Let him put on shades. Continue on. Okay, when he takes the gun, he turns around. When he takes the gun, then turns around. Yeah.
But what I would need is, if Bill was awake, I'd call him and say, "Hey, do you have Terminator 2 glasses? Can you take a photo and send it to me, please?"
Basically, do you have any sonic shades? That'd be easy to do. That mirror, no problem.
Hey, Eli, what are you doing? What are you doing at 9?
What?
What are you doing at 9 tonight?
9 o'clock tonight?
Yeah.
It's Tuesday. I have no idea.
Okay, if you want, you can come on my show.
Oh, cool. Okay, what's the topic?
I haven't figured out the topics yet, but it's gonna be something interesting.
Yeah, send me a DM on Twitter.
I will. Do I have you on Twitter? Let me see.
If you don't, I'll put my Twitter in the chat.
Yeah, put it in the chat, in the private chat for me, and I'll just copy paste.
Hey, I forgot private chat for you. So 1 second. Actually, make my Twitter page itself instead of the link. Well, I'll just give my name. No, never mind.
I usually do pop culture stuff, 3 questions, but I think today I'm gonna do a little something different.
There you go.
Cool. So I'm gonna add you to the group chat that I have on Twitter.
Let me actually open up Twitter.
Following. Boom. Okay.
All right, I'll just cut it anyway.
There's so many fucking group chats on Twitter. I don't know which one's the one I created. It's gonna be this one.
You gotta have Arnold with the shades on, man.
I know. That's why I'm pissed off right now.
Yeah, it's not Arnold without his shades. Come on.
Fuck, how do I add someone to this damn chat?
There, done. And that'll end the intro right there.
Wow.
I think that's enough.
$1,500 for the new iPhone. They removed the home screen, the home button, added 2 extra cameras. Huh.
If he wants this last scene.
iPhone 11, I have it.
iPhone 12.
Oh, there's an iPhone 12 now already?
This is the iPhone
save.
12.
Oh, shit.
It's an iPhone
I'll put a link in
12.
a private chat for you, okay?
Who's using the iPhone 12?
Let's see.
iPhone 12 hasn't been released yet?
Hello,
CM
you have
Cook
reached
Reviews
us
by
during our
doing
lunch
a brief,
hour.
quick summary of the previous time live for some transitions. Yeah, I'll just put the link in the chat for you.
Yeah. How do I?
Okay, guys. I got it chopped up. I got it saved. There we go. We're good. Oh, got it. Now I gotta do what? If I go strong for the next 4 hours, maybe I'll have this motion captured in 3-4 hours. I'm gonna switch over to Pixelate, guys. I've been here available for anybody who needs help on LDG Pixels. It's time we turn it up to 11, where I won't have to worry about topics, and we can do whatever the hell we want while I sit here and finish this awesome 3D motion capture for Terminator 2. I'm going to head on over, guys. Thanks for joining, everybody. Elihu, Anzo, everybody in the chat. That Nigel movie guy, thanks for popping in, man. I was watching you play Castlevania last night. Awesome. I also had Anzo playing some football and some basketball last night. That was awesome.
Football, yeah.
Yeah. And Yitzi Levins. Who else did I give a shout out for? Alicia Victoria Parker. If you still need to speak to me about that intro, you're more than welcome to. If you're still listening, I'm just going to switch over to Pixelate, the other channel here, guys. And Sci-Fi Guy. So if I missed anybody, my apologies. Let's head on over to Pixelate. Give me about 20 minutes to freshen up, powder my nose, etc., and I'll open up a waiting room. Thank you so much, everybody.
Peace.
And